In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add secrets to your Replit project. And also, we're going to briefly talk about what secrets are. Once you sign into your Replit account, from the left-hand side, you want to click on Apps and just open up the project which you want to add a secret for. I'm going to do my first project here as an example. Once you have your project ready and loaded, you will click on the magnifying glass here, and we're just going to search for secrets. Written like this, and it's gonna show up tools, secrets. You just want to click on it. Here you will be able to see your secrets, and if you want to add a secret, they are basically used for API keys, integrations, so on and so forth. You will click on new configuration here. It is then going to ask you for the key itself and the value, and once you add this information, you can just click on add configuration and you will have successfully added a secret to your Replit project. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.